Hi, this is Ramya from Pharmatutes and today I'm going to explain how to create a pie chart in an Excel sheet in Windows 2010. So this is how the pie chart looks. It is exactly looks like a pie and it is circle. So it is also called a circular graph. It is very useful tool to display some basic statistical information. Suppose we have here have taken the example of COVID cases in different states. You can see the number of cases here. So by visualization is you can easily judge so which state is having more cases or less. You can interpret well, and even you can calculate the percentage in a pie chart. So I'll show you how to do it freshly. I'll start. So I'll just delete this. Yeah, we'll start it. So how to do it? Just select the data. You can select full data or whichever data you want to. Yeah, go to insert, select the data first, go to insert tab, and here you can choose pie, and you are having 2D pie or 3D pie. So 3D pie will looks better. Yeah, this is how it will looks, and it will chart title will be the series name, and even you can change the title. Yeah, you can format the title however you want. Yeah, I will make it COVID cases. Yeah, whichever you can format it. When you double click on this, you can do formatting however you want. And even you can select this and you can move wherever you want. And even you can enlarge this. Yeah, you can enlarge this. I mean, even you can click on this chart and even you can shrink it, you can expand. So you can do decoration of your chart however you want. And also you can change, you can select this chart and you can go to the design button, click on the design and the menu, and even you can change the colors, designs however you want. See, so you can change it. So I think this will look better. It is having a different colors. Even the chart style, these are the styles you can change. Yeah, see, as you keep on changing. Yeah, see. Yeah, whichever you want you can choose it. So this you can decorate your pie chart however you want. These designs you can make it. So and click on this pie chart, and do right click, and you can add data labels. You can add data on this pie chart. See, now earlier it was showing only the states with some colors. So with these colors we should guess it. So length of this slice is exactly equal to proportional to the quantity. So now you have cases, right? See, even you can do formatting of this. Just right click and you can select format data series, or format. First we'll do the format data label. Yeah, this is you can here I have selected only one data. So only the one data will be formatted. So when you select full pie chart, and you can if you go to format data level, see now all the data is selected. Now you can keep the value along, you can add a percentage, and along with that you can add a category name, along with that you can add a series name. So I think we'll keep the percentage. It looks nice, right? And also you can keep the data in the center. You can keep it inside end, or you can keep it outside end, or you can keep it best fit, and even you can include the legend key in the label. So this is how you can format the data. So even you can go to home, and even you can increase the data size, and even you can change the format. Yeah, this is all decorations formatting. You can do it. This is how you will do formatting of your data. So and also you can one more option is there here, that is format data labels, which we have done now. Format data labels, that we have formatted the data. So one more thing here is format data series. So select format data series. See, here you have in the series option, you have two sections here, that is angle and the pie explosion. So observe carefully what will happen. See, when you keep on moving this cursor, see the angle will be changing. So this pie chart will be moving. See, this is how you can change the angle. And also you can see when you click on this cursor, see it is getting separated. So one more, this is how you can separate the slices or you can keep together. And one more interesting, this is all you can do. You can fill the colors, you can change the borders, you can change the shadow. And I'll show you some important thing, interesting one. So select the 3D format. See here you can have a top level, you select bevel circle. And even the bottom you select bevel circle and you observe, keep on observing the changes which is occurring here. And here you can see some points 5 to 6 like that you change it to 100. Yeah, go to format, series, go to 3D format and here you make it 100. Yeah, see the changes which is occurring. Yeah, now it is exactly looking like a disc, right? Yeah. See, this all formatting you can do it. And one more thing I'll show you. See, even if you want to show data of a particular state, if you want to highlight a particular data, as I told, you can separate the each slices by selecting the slice. You can just move it. Yeah. See, you can select a particular data slice and you can move it. See, if you want to highlight this particular data, you can just select that particular slice and you can move it. And you can all move the data series, you can change it however you want. So this is how you can do the different formatting. So if you don't want, you can just do Ctrl Z. See, so whichever you will select, that data will be changing. So if you select full, and it will show the formatting. You can do the formatting of the whole pie chart. Yeah. So you can keep it outside. Yeah, it looks better, or you can keep inside and it will be better. Alignment you can do however you want. See, this looks very nice, right? So exactly, yeah, even you can expand it. And even I told you, if you want to include the series name, you can include it. So this is how the pie chart or a circular graph looks. So hope you understood. So if you understood, please like and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt, please leave in our comment box. So thank you for watching.